What is going on? What is going on, everybody? My name is Wadi The Crypto Hunter. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys had a blessed day so far. I see Brian Dowie in the house. Tim Shea is in the house. What's going on? What's going on, guys? I appreciate you being here. So, what you guys been up to? How was the weekend? What do you guys do? As you guys know, it was my 17-year anniversary with my wife. What up, GS? What up? Went to this real nice place. It's called Sushi Mambo. So if you guys are ever in New York, definitely go check it out. It was good food, real good food. I was even telling my wife we should have just done a like a little video reviewing the restaurant and stuff. I don't know, maybe copied from Austin and stuff, but yeah, I mean, it was cool, like I said. So let's get into it, guys. And before anything, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so whenever I drop a new video or come on live, really appreciate that if we get that algorithm going, of course. Up one night blind water DJ crypto coffee. Nice, nice. Up all night blend water DJ crypto coffee. Okay, Tim, am I missing something? So basically, let's talk about the Bitcoin ETF by BlackRock, which obviously got approved. That is great news for the market, obviously. But this is what I'm not understanding. Why isn't the market pumping? Caroline always gets excited for your stream. Nice, nice, Tim. She actually gets excited when she sees you, bro. I suggested that flavor is their new one, extra caffeine. Okay, got it, got it. So it says right here, the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) has accepted BlackRock application for a Bitcoin exchange trade fund. This indicates that the SEC is considering a Bitcoin ETF seriously, which could lead to wider adoption of cryptocurrency. The SEC will open a 21-day window for public comments on the proposal when it is published. BlackRock, the world's largest asset firm, filing. Let me move this real quick. Uh, there we go. Uh, Filing for a Bitcoin ETF signals the future of crypto-based investment product in the United States. Other companies like Bitwise, Wisdom Tree, Bannock, Invesco, and Fidelity have also filed application for Bitcoin ETF. So that is major news. But like I said, I don't understand why the market is actually dumping. So two things. The first one is XRP wins the case and XRP pumped. The market pumped a bit and then XRP didn't took a complete dump, but from 93 to 70, that was kind of scary. The other thing is when when the Bitcoin ETF happened, it actually dumped too. Now CPI data came out and the CPI was positive and the market dumped again. So what is going on with crypto? That is the $1 million question. Now, this dump could also have something to do with the fact that good old Gary Gensler decided to talk publicly for the first time about what's going on. So Gensler think it is too early to say if Ripple ruling will lead to more crypto rules. So obviously that could have give the market a real bad sentiment because good old Gary, it's already making people panic with his comments. It says right here, Security and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler said it's too early to determine whether the agency he heads will draft more crypto specific rule following a federal judge split decision in a high profile enforcement case last week. Gensler went on to note that the SEC has proposed rule changes during his tenure that apply to digital asset. Their rules on the book about what it means to be a security exchange, a broker, an investment advisor. There are rules on the book, Gensler said in an online interview with Yahoo Finance. So my thing is, as far as that is, there are rules, but nobody has seen the rule book. Nobody has seen what is exactly that the rules that he claimed that it's out there and it's already established. Why hasn't Coinbase had access to that rule book? Why hasn't Robinhood have access to that rule book? So it makes you question if there are rules, then where is it, you know, written down in paper that the rules are there? That's just my biggest question. So moving on, I'm not gonna read more about it. It's a pretty long article, but just wondering what's going on if there is rules. Why is it are then giving everybody else such a hard time? And I got some good news with XRP. So just, Stu, what's going on? Welcome, welcome. What's good, Wadi? Stu is showing love. Appreciate that, Stewie. I appreciate that. And I am going to talk a little bit about Stewie because obviously it's still holding up nicely. And it is, well, I haven't sold my bags. With that, I tell you everything. Gary, favorite burger from McDonald's is the McPut location in the Philippines. Nice, GS. Nice, nice. So here, let's talk about. Oh shoot! Did I close the wrong one? I think I closed the wrong one. Okay, let me close this one. There we go. So let's talk about Ripple. And the last, we're gonna comment on Coinbase. So, by the way, guys, you know, if you can tell me your thoughts on whatever information I am reading, will be highly grateful. Following Ripple recent legal win against the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission (SEC), the crypto community is abuzz with speculation about possible appeal and their potential impact on investors. So, on July 13, Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that XRP is not a security, dismissing the SEC long-standing allegation that Ripple had conducted unregistered security offering with a Ripple with XRP sale, despite the significant uh Tim. What a fuzz 18. Welcome, welcome. You're a beast, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So Despite this significant legal victory for Ripple, there are still concerns that the SEC may appeal the ruling. Now, what does this mean? Obviously, and it's another reason why probably some investors are panicking is because if they appeal the case, which I'm hoping it gets denied, basically that means they're gonna drag the case again another year, maybe two. So I'm just hoping that that appeal doesn't go through at all. Why an appeal in Ripple case may be a long shot. Jeremy Hogan, a pro XRP lawyer, recently shared his thoughts on the possibility of appeal the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. While many in the crypto community have been speculating about the potential outcomes of an appeal, Hogan suggests that the timing of the case and the nature of the ruling make an appeal unlikely. Good. According to Hogan, most appeal happen after the case is finished, which is not true with the Ripple lawsuit. As there is no final judgment, any appeal of Judge Torres' order would be an interlocutory appeal. Such appeal are rarely granted, and the normal situation would be where allowing discovery would reveal information that should remain confidential. Like I said, I really don't think that appeal is gonna go through. I'm hoping that the appeal doesn't go through. So, with that being said, hopefully, you know, the XRP and the Bitcoin ETF being approved, we're going to be able to see more people um joining the market, institutional investor, and hopefully we could start seeing a bull run. Now, this one I'm gonna leave for last, which is Judge criticize the Coinbase IPO. Now, what does it mean for XRP to win the case? More banks are actually interested in looking into working with XRP. So US Bank poised to embrace XRP following Ripple case battle triumph, says Ripple. Ripple blockchain startup believed that the US Bank and financial institution would be interested in using its cryptocurrency XRP for cross-border payment. This optimism comes after a recent ruling that determined XRP was not necessarily a security. Ripple planned to discuss its on demand liquidity ODL product, which utilized XRP for money transfer with American financial firm in the coming months. The ruling was a significant development in Ripple ongoing legal battle with the US SEC. Although the ruling was not a complete victory for Ripple, the company remains hopeful for future business opportunity. Now, I know, for example, that XRP has been working with Bank of America, if I remember correctly, and there's also a couple of other banks that's attached to XRP. That's one of the reasons why I felt like for XRP to actually lose, it would be devastating because there's a lot of banks involved. And I forgot how many exactly, but there's banks from here and there's also a bank from Europe, which is a huge bank. Um, moving on. Let's say what this judge gotta say. Judge criticized SEC approval of Coinbase IPO in pre-motion conference. And then after this, we're gonna talk about Stewie. All right, Southern District of New York Judge Catherine P. Fela called the attention of the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) approval of Coinbase initial public offering (IPO), hinting that the agency could have been more thorough. Fila expressed skepticism about the SEC posture that approving the Coinbase S1 form to go public meant nothing, stating that the commission could have called out Coinbase behavior. Um, Let me see. I see some new people in here. What up, Steve? What's going on? What's going on? Appreciate you being here. Edwin, welcome, welcome. White chain is pumping. I gotta check. I haven't seen anything on that. Somo in the house. What's going on, Somo? Wait, what up, XRB Army in the house? You see, we getting massive FUD so they can stake you out of your bag. Continue to march and stand strong, brother and sister. Hey, bro, look, I got no worries when it comes to XRP, literally speaking. Yeah, that it dumb a little bit is high, but at the end of the day, XRP is too good of a project to actually fail. And worst case scenario, if it does fail, it's gonna fail here in the United States. And then from there, people are gonna move forward. So um Catherine B. Fela, just for the Southern District of New York, has called attention. Okay, I read that part. Coin must go through back. Okay, no, I didn't. Catherine P. Fela, judge for the Southern District of New York, called attention to the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission SEC behavior when approving the initial public IPO of Coinbase to go through back in 2021. Fela hinted that the commission might have done more to signal the problem in the exchange business model before greenlighting its listing on NASDAQ during the pre-motion conference of the case, which took place on July 13th. Fela was curious about the SEC approval of the S1 form from Coinbase, which described its business model to the commission to be listed in public market. Fela questioned SEC attorney Peter Mancuso about this, stating is there some significance that I should give, or maybe there is none to the fact that the commission issued the S1 and didn't say, hey, watch out, guys, you're engaging in security laws violation. So this just tell me, that not for nothing, but it all has been a power play from the very beginning, maybe to take out cryptocurrency from the start. And the reason why I say that is because, yeah, if you're violating certain rules, then why not let the person know? Why not warn them? Instead, you let them go through, conduct their business, and then later on want to hit them up with a lawsuit saying, hey, you're doing things wrong. You're not following the rules. So that tells me, or at least from my point of view, that this has been something premeditated from the very get-go. How long have they been plotting this? Who knows? Maybe since Operation Choke Point, which was the first one, then they move on to Operation Choke Point 2.0. And what is Operation Choke Point? That is um basically what they were trying to do to get any form of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency business out of the United States. If you guys want to look it up, by all means, make sure you do. So that is that for that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm doing 20 minutes of news today. Let's go on and check out Stewie. By the way, you guys know this is a channel that's sponsored by them. And all right, let me refresh this to make sure everything is fresh. And another thing I gotta do is I gotta move this window because now it looks a little funny on screen. Okay, Stewie is looking good once again. Obviously, some people must have panicked when they saw it go down, but in my opinion, is actually normal because there were some early investors and they need to take the profit. Obviously, nobody can get mad at them because of it. Uh, as you could see, though, Stewie is still up from the very bottom, which is all the way down here, which is 10, yeah, 901. So it's still looking good, still holding up. There has been nothing that has signaled danger just yet. And I doubt that there will be. Obviously part of the team right now, as well, not part of the team, but people that are working together to get this project moving up is gonna be myself, Daniel Gayton, Chaka, Coffin the Dip, and we're gonna see what's going to happen. Obviously, Stewie has a pretty good reward system that just for holding it, um, you could take your profit if you want to. If you need to, just take it responsibly because this project is still super, super early. Now, the reward system, they actually have a meme to earn, which you create a lot of meme, sorry, a lot of meme from Stewie. Like, for example, let me go pull up some of Jeff. Jeff actually has been doing it with this. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Jeff. And Fox 18, which he's just one of the investors, but he did a competition that if there was 10 buys on the chart, he was gonna do a $10,000 buy. So that was pretty interesting too. Here goes Jeff. Oh, this is from Fox 18. Put it all on Stewie, and that's Stewie on the phone with Brian next to it. As you guys know, Family Guy is a very, very funny show. So, and controversial too. So I feel like they did the right thing by going towards it. Here comes Jeff again. Keep an eye out for your airdrops, Stewie. If you go to Stewie Token, you see that they also changed the logo, which was one thing that the community wanted because they were afraid, if the token gets too big, that it was going to be. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, Too Big Crypto is also on here. Um, is going to be an issue later on with copyrights and all that. So people are really outdoing it. They got the meme to earn. They got the just diamond hand reward. And Koff actually explains this way better than me, but I'm still working on it. And basically it's just that. See, diamond hand earning bonus held 75%, meaning if you only sell 25% of your purchase and you're holding 75%, you qualify for the airdrop. There has been two airdrops so far. I think there's a third one, and there's still more coming. So check out the Stewie token. Obviously, none of it is financial advice. Make sure you guys do your own research and make your own decision. It is zero tax on buy, zero tax on sell. And the meme to earn program is right here, which is the one that I told you about creating meme coin. Bonus token when you add to your original purchase before the following Snapchat, which is another thing. Um, if you get some more Stewie, then you get some bonus token. Fox 18, you're a great ambassador. I appreciate that, Fox. Thank you. Thank you. Now, this is what's going on here, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I got going on as far as the meme coin area. And you could come here. I already checked the contract, which is usually something I do before investing into meme coins. I go check the contract and make sure that the contract is pretty solid. By the way, hold on. Crap. So I just noticed, my bad, that this whole time I wasn't showing the other screen. So there you go. I apologize for that. And all the information that I was sharing was right here. The diamond hand information is right here. The buy sell tax is right here. The meme to earn program is right there. And now let me go back to some of the share this tab instead. Okay. This is the official Stewie token Twitter page. If you guys got Twitter, make sure you go to Stewie underscore token and follow them, check them out. And these are all the different memes that has been done so far. This is by Jeff. Keep an eye on your airdrop. Say my name, say my name, Stewie. So it has been fun, literally, and the fun is going to continue. Now, with that being said, let me go to the other sponsor of the channel. Hold on, let me stop sharing this one. Uh, which majority of you guys know already. It's MMAI. And I don't know what's going on here. Oh, there we go. And let me lower this right here. Everybody's still waiting for July, which July is already here. And we're waiting for the download version of 0.2 of the metaverse, which is going to be open for absolutely everyone. What does MMAI got going? MMAI Pure Wallet, MMAI Pure World. They got the MMAI games. They also have MMAI NFT, pure NFTs, which these NFTs, you're going to be able to use them as property in the metaverse and eventually make some residual income from it. Um, This is the shooting game from MMA Games, which if you play Call of Duty before, you most likely are gonna like playing this. And the technology papers, everything you need to know, and the partnership, Creativia, NSLab, and Conego ICT. This is actually available. They have the Twitter and they have a Discord channel. So if you go to the Twitter page, which is this one right here, at MMAI Pure, then you will be able to get their Discord channel, which it has been pretty active, and see everything else. Oh shoot, I missed today's space. All right, so that's on me. I missed today's space, and I gotta replay back, see if there's any new information about what's going on. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Let me look into the market and see what's going on. Let me see. Yeah, let me actually close this one and let me open a new tab. Because Bitcoin looks like it's trying to recover a little something, but not completely. There we go. Every time they switch everything on StreamYard, it feels so freaking awkward. All right. So as far as Bitcoin so far, oh, okay. I see what's going on. I added this new indicator, and yeah, that shows supposedly how the price is supposed to move, but we all know that there's no real guarantee over here. So let me take it out for today. Now, as far as what I see here is actually short term bullish because it touched the support area right around here. And I'm just waiting for it since it touched around here and it went back up. I'm just waiting for it to continue going up. Ray Ultimate in the house. What's up? What's going on, bro? Appreciate you being here. Um, and by the way, guys, just real quick, Ray is the one that did my logo and my intro and my outro. So if you ever need any marketing, make sure you reach out to him. He does awesome animation videos, and he also hosts praise and worship spaces on Sunday at 10:30 a.m. So go check him out. Go check him out on Twitter. Uh, Ray, put your Twitter handle on here, bro. So according to the market bias, if we don't drop right here, which I highly doubt it that's gonna drop even more, We should actually be picking back up probably to the 30,700. And then if we break it, then we should continue going up. If we break down, then I'm expecting the 28,692 level. Yo, 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 what up, John Crispala in the house? Welcome, welcome, bro. Appreciate you being here. And that is pretty much it, what I have as far as what's going on with BTC. Not a lot price action. Honestly speaking, the market has been extremely boring to me. Oh, there is two coins that I was checking out today. Well, Grimace, I've been checking it out since it cost $4. And since I wasn't sure, actually, I actually spoke to John about this since I wasn't really sure what was gonna go down with that coin, and I didn't do my research. That's why I really didn't try to mess with it. Now, the first time I took a look at it, it was only worth $4. Now that I looked again, the day before yesterday, it was worth $7. And today I looked and it's worth uh 16.75. So I'm waiting to see if there is going to be any type of retracement, but as right now it looks like it's about to break up towards the upside. So maybe today is going to create another all-time high. And it's trying to break out right now, literally. As we are on live here. Sorry, I keep forgetting I gotta switch tabs. As we are live right now, it's trying to break out. Uh, and it's obviously having a little bit of trouble to do so. So hopefully it completes the breakout. And if not, then I think it's pretty much done. Yeah, that was the next coin I was going to talk about. BTC 2.0. It went from 34 cents to 83. And I was like, man, that's crazy. Oh, so they did open the perpetual. Nice. What? Let me go back. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, this coin got a good following on Twitter too. There's a few coins breaking out right now. Uh Yeah. Well, the breakout for BTC2 looks like it's more towards the downside. John, do you put a short in there, bro? All I can say is that life is so much better without toxicity and negativity surrounding you. That I agree with you 100%, right? What's good to BTC is, yeah, it is. So yeah, what I'm seeing here is that it might just break down according to this one. Now let me see if I can actually catch it on here with this other indicator. Oh, they listed on Polynex too. And look at this, guys. Literally, this token went from all the way over here all the way to 80 something. So even though right now it's dropping, tomorrow or so, well, obviously nobody could predict the market, but tomorrow it should go back up to like the 60 area, 60 or 50. And if it goes beyond that, then even better. Now, this token is only 7 days old. And that's the craziest part. Yeah, GS, DJ play for sure, bro. Nothing to hold on tight to for the rest of your life. I mean, but at the point that it is now, is not actually bad. Right now, the market's bias signal is actually telling me that it's it should go down a little bit more. But let me look at a little longer time frame. At the longer time frame, it doesn't have enough data, but I still could tell that it's gonna drop some more. Look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, so the market bias indicator actually needs more more data before it can actually predict it. So right now 15 minutes, and if you see how it's dark red, that's just showing that there's a lot of selling pressure. So just be careful if you decide to go in there. I don't think I'm gonna touch that one. Not Tim, like I said, man, it's totally DJing, bro. If you know what you're doing, you get to play with it. If you don't know what you're doing, then I suggest do not look, literally. So it should really take off. No, like I said, by tomorrow it should take off a little bit, not completely. So basically, this is just what I noticed. For example, XRP went to 93 cents, right? From 93, it went to 70. From 70, it went back up to like 82. Then it dropped again, and then it went back up to 77. And that's usually a normal pattern when it comes to crypto. Now, you just need to make sure that you already study the pattern and make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. If not, you're gonna get wrecked. What thinking, Kaz, bet, Algo. Bet is my baby. Algo, I wouldn't touch right now. And Kaz has potential. Mean to earn, don't have to be a holder. Oh, see, and as far as Stewie, appreciate the info. The mean to earn part, you don't even gotta hold any Stewie. That's pretty good. One of those or a little of each. Well, GS, obviously, I cannot give you financial advice, but me, B chain all the way, bro. Algo is at a great price and Cass is a solid play. No, Cass has a lot of potential, but the thing is, like, with Algo and everything that's going on, that they might potentially sell, even if it's slowly, I just wouldn't look that way. Yeah. So why get it now when you could get it at a cheaper price? Now later on, once all that is done, and I'm seeing that Algo is still standing, then heck yeah, why not? But yeah, as far as this one, Tim, it's just to keep an eye out for it, just to make sure that if there is any potential to go back up, which I actually think, and look, even right here on the market bias is telling me that it should drop as far as 36 cents minimum. And once it hit the 36 cents, it should pick back up to about 69 cents. So you're still kind of doubling your profit. But like I said, if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. I don't want you guys hating me later. I was like an DJ and play. Yeah, bro. I mean, Bago, in my opinion, still has a lot of potential. I do believe that it can make it back. I know Wadi, I dab a little and made a 3x on Pepper 2, got out and more XRP before it took off. Yeah, now about Pepper 2, I'm not trying to fuck the project. Really, you guys know it's not my style. But I was laughing the other day because I see a couple of influencer. Oh my god, get ready for today. The news is gonna be big. Pepper 2.0, blah 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 blah. And that very same day, I looked at the chart, and this is all I saw. Boom to the bottom. What the deuces? Stewie phrases. So, all right. So one thing that really kind of gets me upset, and I'm not hating on no one. I just feel at times like, man, real content creator like myself, um, talk about real stuff. Talk about the reality of the market, what it can happen, what it can happen. But I noticed that majority of us, because there's a few, I also notice it's not just me, they don't really got that grand support. But the other influencers that are actually pumping and dumping on people, those are the one that got the bigger crowd. So it's like people love getting wrecked big time. And let's just take it out of crypto, right? I also have a TikTok. Um, and TikTok, I started my TikTok like 2 years ago, and so far I got like 2,000 some change followers. But my point is this: when I was talking about real life stuff, when I was talking about God, or just in general motivational stuff, I barely got the views. That's BS. One time I actually got 1 million view on one video, and I deleted it because I got pissed off at the way I looked in the video, meaning shaky and stuff. Now, I see other people doing stupid videos. When I mean stupid videos, I mean beyond dumb. Like, you see, okay, girl dancing in bikini, whatever. She has like 3 million likes instantly and stuff like that. So it's like, yo, what the hell is going on? Yo, 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 coughing the dip in the house. What's going on, bro? Appreciate you being here, man. Pepper 2.0 pay 3 and haven't posted grab. Yeah, yes, that's actually what I was talking about earlier, bro. But no, back to what I'm saying. Like, I see so many people becoming Twitter famous, TikTok famous, YouTube famous just from posting some dumb videos. And I'm over here like working my ass off, and I'm not complaining. Obviously, I have a nice crowd, at least people that actually respect me, and I appreciate that. But it's like, man, why is it so hard to hit a like button or a subscribe button or even just leave a comment? Because that all that helps with the algorithm. So, how you guys feeling today? I'm okay, bro. Having a mini tantrum, but I'm okay. Stay positive, Wadi. Remember when you were trying so hard to get to 1,000 subs, now you have 4,600. You get there, bro. I appreciate it, Tim. And you know what? Full transparency, 4,600 subs for YouTube is still nothing. And I'm actually paying for advertisement, which here I'll show you guys here. Because I know some people think, oh, he's probably botting his channel. I don't do none of that bull crap because I think that is literally cheating. And see, I got this, the 4,000 subscriber, and I just got a new subscriber. Thank you, whoever that was. Where is it? Content. So this is the promotion thing, right? And every time I do a promotion thing, that's the only way I get crazy views. I got 3,000 views on this crap. Got like 165 subscriber. Got 11,000 views on this one. Got 1,429 subscriber. Got 7,000 view and 838 subscriber. So when I notice, unless there's something with the platform, you only get views and subs once you start paying money for them to help you out. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that, Fox. We're here to support you, Wadi. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Start with building a community. And that's what I've been trying to actually build a community. And thank you for the new member, Fox 18. Appreciate that, bro. Welcome to the Watt Squad. My notification didn't go off on late, but I'm here. Love you, buddy. Much love to you, Jeff. And don't worry, man. You always showing up, man, and I appreciate that too. Just like Tim, GS, and Brian. So I appreciate you guys. So yeah. So full transparency, that's that. Um, I get majority of the new subscriber when I pay a promotion, and as you can see, sometimes it works. Like for example, right here, ended up paying 158 bucks, but what I got was 165. And sometimes it doesn't work. And so it's like a win-win situation. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but the important thing is that I'm still here. I'm still trying. I'm not a quitter, but sometimes it gets a little complicated. This guy is killing it on a review, honest reviews. Go, I appreciate that. Still can help with support who support us. Appreciate that big time. What a Wadi and fam just watched two ads. What it do? What a coochie boy. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. Yeah, the ads thing. The reason why you guys gotta um at least try to watch it is because even if it's 5 cents, it still counts. And as I get bigger, then obviously I'm gonna get more those ads go actually to like $2, $3. The RSP, I think it's called. But now, guys, appreciate sticking around for my tantrum, and I appreciate the support. Like always, share this tab instead. And yeah, this is one obviously other than Stewie. If you want to try to make something real quick, then this is your DJ play. If you want to do a long term play, then I suggest Stewie. Oh no, no, no! I can make suggestion. I didn't suggest that. You did not hear that, and I deleted it. No, you guys do your own research on that one. And I saw my wife earlier, which I didn't say hi. Sorry, babe. Yep, there she goes. She probably waiting for me with a freaking pen on her hands. Be like, what? You gonna say hi to me? Not, I'm playing. So yeah, guys. That's pretty much what I got for today. And I think I'm gonna call it a night. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming by, like always, coming through. And have yourself a blessed night. I'll be on here Wednesday and again on Friday. I've been thinking if I should stream every day again. The thing about streaming every day is that sometimes there is absolutely nothing to talk about. Like the market is so boring when it's in a bear market and there's no real good news or anything moving that you feel like, okay, what's the point of doing a stream? You the man, Waddy. Appreciate that, Jeff. Keep doing your thing. We got some roundtable coming. Oh yeah. I forgot about that for sure, bro. Appreciate that. Will be a real vibe, 100%. So you see, 2 bit, Coffin the Dip, Daniel, Chaka, and myself. We're gonna be doing roundtables in each channel, and we're gonna be building a real solid community, a real supportive community, and also we're all going to be supporting Stu with tokens. So with that being said, make sure you guys stick around and check us out. Uh Coochie Boy said we usually talk about Caroline when we bored. Tim mentioned Caroline, but I'm guessing it was because he missed her. And we're also going to be doing Twitter spaces and stuff. So, as they say, it's time to build, and everyone should be good from there on. Just in my opinion. As Katrina, she just got her new pogo stick. Caroline is on the main topic in 2-bit and CTN. Oh God. So bye guys. Let me get out of here. Here I go do the drunk stuff where he says bye 300 times and come back and says hello. Amazing. Does this one and fee free also? Oh God. But adios, Ray. Thank you for stopping by, bro. Have a good one. Have a good one, everyone. A blessed night. I appreciate each and every one for sticking around. Make sure on your way out you hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want to become a member, by all means, it's only $2. And I haven't forgot about the videos. It's just that the members only trading videos is just that trading is so complicated. I want to make sure that what I give out is going to be good quality and that you guys are actually going to understand it. Because if not, getting wrecked is for real. All right. With that being said, goodbye, everyone.